Hi, Northflow community. Today is our biweekly marketing update, and we have a special treat for you. My name is Simona,
And I'm Tally.
and today we are showing and giving you an overview of the Northflow platform so you can see everything that you can create from A to Z, all of the options that are available to you right now on the platform.
Yes. So, Northflow is a podcast production workspace built for podcasters, podcast managers, and agencies. It basically replaces spreadsheets, Trello boards, email threads, and scattered Google Docs with a single organized hub for managing every part of your podcast workflow. Just to say it in a simple way that makes sense. So, from planning episodes to tracking different tasks, collecting guest assets, and organizing your show assets, Northflow is designed to simplify the production process and keep your team and your content on track. So, let me give you a quick overview of Northflow right now. Whenever you log into Northflow and you create an account, you'll land in the production section. And the first thing you will see is a list of all the episodes. Here, you would see episodes based on the different shows that you have. You can see here the Space Show. That's the name of one of the shows that I currently have here. There's also As It Relates to Podcasting with Simona Constantini. You can see an eagle's eye view of all of the episodes you currently have in production. Now, going from the top down, I'm going to start over here. So, Starbase Studios, that's considered the name of our agency here that we're using as a pretend. And if you click on it, you'll be able to see different workspaces. So, as a user, you can create different workspaces either for different companies or even if you want to join a different workspace for another agency or for another client that you currently have. Here, you're able to create either a new episode or a new template. Under My Task, you'll be able to see all of your tasks and just have an overall view of like everything that's completed, blocked, or things that you haven't started yet. People, this is where you're able to invite different collaborators to the platform, to your specific workspace. In this case, it could be an admin, it could be another member, or a guest. Shows, this is where you see all of the current shows on your workspace. And then very soon, we're going to have projects. And then under production as well, we have assets. This is where you can see assets for all of your episodes, and you can even filter them by episode name. Now, down here, you're going to see shows. And as you can see here, we have three different shows: the Space Show, As It Relates to Podcasting, and Behind the Workflow. Under each show, you would see a website, task, assets, episodes, calendar, forms, and very soon projects. Down here, you have the ability to go to settings. And under settings, you'll be able to see a list of all of your current templates. You also can add it or delete a template from there. And then you also have the ability to log out from here as well.
One of the really great things about Northflow is the ability to customize your own workflow and your own templates per show. So Tally showed how every single show has its own space. And then within that, you have your different episodes, your different assets, and your different tasks, which is great. Within each individual episode, you can actually go in and you can create your very own template per episode because we know that no two shows process is the exact same. So you would create your template and you can write and call it whatever you want. And then when you click create, you can go into this space here and you can actually create your template in different stages. So the word stages is the different pieces that Tally's typing in right now. So pre-production, post-production, recording, editing, content planning, guest management, all of those different stages. What's really great also is you can set this up once and you can use this same template over and over and over again with each show that you create. So I find this feature the most beneficial as you're onboarding and as you're bringing on new clients or new podcasts or your own podcast to Northflow, because you have your own template that you can use for every single show.
This is some ways that Northflow can help you. It centralizes everything, keeping your shows, tasks, files, and guest details all in one place. It improves visibility so you can see all of the episodes in production across all of the shows you currently manage. It saves you time by using different templates and workflows that you can set up for different shows, or you can reuse the same one for all of the shows that you have. It's super flexible. You can do whatever way works best for you and your team. It helps you collaborate smarter so you know where your team is at, what tasks they're working on, or if they have a task that they're currently blocked. It also makes it easy for guests because your guests that you're inviting or someone that's a contractor on your team, they don't have to get a login to be able to work on their task. All you have to do is assign it to them. They'll get an email with a link and they can upload their assets, answer questions, and do everything from that link without having to ever log into your workspace.
So if you're ready to get started and create your account with Northflow, head to northflow.io where you can request an invite, and we can then book a demo call to show you all the ins and outs of the platform. Thank you for being here today and for being with us for our biweekly marketing update. And I guess, Tally, we will see them on the podcast next week.
Yes. Bye bye.